Welcome to our channel. Punta Cana, a tropical paradise in the Dominican Republic, offers a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences. Join us as we explore the top things to do in this stunning destination. I will show you how to get the best beach experience of your life in Punta Cana. Bavaro Beach, with its powdery white sands, crystal clear turquoise waters, and swaying palm trees, is a must-visit. You can enjoy a variety of water sports here, such as snorkeling, scuba diving, and jet skiing. Plus, there are popular beach clubs and resorts along the coast to explore. Saona Island is another gem with its pristine beaches and crystal clear lagoons. You can take boat tours, go on snorkeling excursions, and spot marine life. It's the perfect place to relax on the beach, soak up the sun, and enjoy delicious seafood. Macao Beach offers a laid-back atmosphere and local charm. It's a great spot for surfing and interacting with the locals. Juanillo Beach, on the other hand, offers an exclusive and luxurious experience. Located in the Cap Cana area, it boasts high-end resorts and top-notch amenities. Scape Park. Punta Cana is a haven for nature and adventure enthusiasts. You can explore the stunning natural beauty of the park, including the Blue Lagoon. Ziplining, cave swimming, and other adventure activities await you here. It's a fantastic opportunity to connect with nature and enjoy the tranquility of the rainforest. Los Haitises National Park is another must-see with its mangrove forests, limestone cliffs, and ancient cave paintings. Boat tours through the mangroves offer chances to spot wildlife. The park holds historical significance due to the Taino culture and is ecologically important. At Montaña Redonda, you'll be treated to breathtaking panoramic views of the coastline and mountains. It's a unique spot for photo opportunities, with giant swings and hammocks. Hiking to the top is a great way to enjoy the fresh air and stunning scenery. Lastly, whale watching in Samaná Bay is an unforgettable experience. The best time to go is during the whale season, and seeing humpback whales in their natural habitat is truly incredible. Responsible whale watching is essential, and there are efforts in place to protect these magnificent creatures. Culture and nightlife. Let's dive in. Altos de Chavón is a charming Mediterranean-style village where you can explore art galleries, unique shops, and an impressive amphitheater. Here you have the opportunity to watch live performances and enjoy some delicious cuisine. Next, we visit the Basilica Catedral Nuestra Señora de la Altagracia. This historic church is not only culturally significant, but also boasts beautiful architecture and stunning religious art within its walls. And for those looking to experience the vibrant nightlife, Coco Bongo is the place to be. With its high-energy atmosphere and exciting shows, you can dance the night away and truly feel the pulse of Punta Cana. Punta Cana offers a perfect blend of relaxation, adventure, and cultural experiences. Whether you're seeking sun, sand, and sea, or exciting outdoor activities, you'll find it all in this tropical paradise. So, start planning your dream vacation to Punta Cana today. Subscribe to our channel for more travel tips and inspiration. Like and share this video with your friends and family. Leave a comment below with your favorite travel destination. And don't forget to hit that notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos.